Hello and welcome, fellow travelers. If you're planning a trip in 2023, then you've come to the right place. Today, we're sharing 15 must know travel tips and hacks that will help you make the most out of your next adventure. From packing hacks to money saving tips, we've got you covered. So grab your notebook and pen and let's dive in. 1. Roll, don't fold. Packing can be a pain, but rolling your clothes instead of folding them is a game changer. Not only does it save space in your luggage, but it also reduces the chance of wrinkles. Plus, it's easier to see what you've packed when everything is neatly rolled up. 2. Download the Maps.me app. This app is a lifesaver when you're traveling in a new country. Not only can you download maps of entire countries and use them offline, but it also shows you points of interest, restaurants, and hotels in your area. You can even save your favorite places and create custom routes. No more getting lost in a foreign city. 3. Book your flights on a Tuesday. Tuesday is the best day to book flights if you're looking for a good deal. This is when most airlines release their weekly sales. And you can often find some incredible deals if you book at the right time. Set a reminder on your phone for Tuesday morning and start browsing. 4. Wear your heaviest clothes on the plane. This might seem counterintuitive, but wearing your heaviest clothes on the plane can save you space in your luggage and keep you warm on those long flights. You can always take off a sweater or jacket once you're on the plane if you get too hot. Plus, you won't have to worry about your heavy coat taking up valuable luggage space. 5. Bring an empty water bottle. Airport security won't let you bring liquids through, but an empty water bottle can be filled up once you're through security. This is a great way to save money on expensive airport drinks and stay hydrated during your flight. Just make sure to empty it before going through security again on your return trip. 6. Use a VPN to find cheaper flights. Airlines often offer different prices based on your location. By using a VPN to change your IP address to another location, you can potentially find cheaper flights. Just make sure to use a reputable VPN and check the terms and conditions of the airline before booking. 7. Bring a portable charger. This is a must-have item for any traveler. Whether you're out and about all day or stuck in an airport, a portable charger will ensure that your phone and other devices stay charged. Plus, you won't have to fight for a charging port or outlet. 8. Book your accommodations directly. Instead of using a third-party website, try booking directly with the hotel or hostel. Often you'll get a better deal and more flexibility. Plus, you can ask for any special requests or accommodations directly with the hotel. 9. Pack a power strip. This is especially helpful if you're traveling with a group and need to charge multiple devices at once. Plus, it's a great conversation starter in hostels. Just make sure to pack a universal adapter if you're traveling internationally. 10. Learn some basic phrases in the local language. Even if you only know a few words, locals appreciate it when tourists make an effort to speak their language. Plus, it can be helpful in navigating the city and ordering food. Make sure to pack a phrase book or use a language learning app to brush up on your skills. 11. Use a money belt. This is a great way to keep your valuables safe and secure while you're out and about. Just make sure to keep it hidden under your clothes and avoid taking it out in public. A money belt can also be useful for storing your passport and other important documents. 12. Bring a reusable shopping bag. It's a great way to carry souvenirs and other items without having to buy a plastic bag every time. Plus, it's better for the environment. Make sure to pack a foldable or lightweight bag that won't take up too much space in your luggage. 13. Pack a small first aid kit. You never know when you might need a Band-Aid or some ibuprofen, so it's always a good idea to be prepared. Pack a small first aid kit with some basic supplies like Band-Aids, antiseptic wipes, pain relievers, and any prescription medicines you need. It's always better to be safe than sorry. 14. Research local customs and etiquette. Different cultures have different customs, and it's important to respect them when you're traveling. For example, in some cultures, it's rude to tip at restaurants, while in others, it's expected. Make sure to do your research before you go so you can be prepared and avoid any cultural misunderstandings. It's also a great way to learn more about the local culture and history. 15. Be open to unexpected adventures. Some of the best travel experiences come from the unexpected. Embrace the unknown and be open to new experiences. Talk to locals, try new foods, and explore off the beaten path. You never know what amazing adventure awaits you. And there you have it, folks. We hope these travel tips and hacks will help you have an amazing trip in 2023. Whether you're a seasoned traveler or a first-time adventurer, these tips will surely come in handy. Remember to be open to new experiences, respect local customs, and most importantly, have fun. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more travel content. Until next time, happy travels!